So tá muidir le an teannacht le céileoirí ar scríbhneoireacht agus ceol muintir na háite agus daoine níos fuidir rion.
A war of all superlatives, ethnic cleansing, a modern day Nakba, the ugliest thing I've ever seen. Israel's genocide sends an emotional earthquake of immeasurable suffering off humanity's Richter scale.
The Indian glass al jack ar galore the vini, that is sail cuts war, then you go humlan maryaler, August that even hail hen freshen. Near Inish mission scale showed the Ian Dinya real river.
The ugliest I've yet to meet. Cease the act and amputate the mask. He who strives to dominate, enticing you back into that black pit of emptiness. You may even reason with how well he fits, yet gloomier you grow as your light begins to dwindle.
Bhí hartfa deich duine an teannacht gan sin scéalte, gan sin dantaí a scéalaigh a merle, a deangathe fudfad an dóin agus ceol comhaith. So just le céileoirí ar sin faoi scathan tSléibhe.
I walk in a foreign and familiar place, on routes and paths that many are walking now, and have walked before and will continue to walk. As I walk, I feel the ground and air, the sun and rain, the sadness and pain, the joy, the awe, the hope. I stop and weep and am grateful.
So tonight we're gathered here at the foot of the Black Mountain for Scríbhneoirí and tSléibhe's annual Féile na Gluigeanna Gorma event. It's been wonderful. It's brought people from international visitors, people from all communities and backgrounds here tonight to read poetry, story and song. Community, solidarity and well-being is at the heart of this Féile, and every year it's grown in strength and strength.
If we look at our goddesses, our pagan ancestry, if we still believed in what they did, maybe we'd feel a little bit closer to the planet, to the natural world, to the goddesses that we all once were.
Hi there, I'm Niamh McNally. I'm a poet from West Belfast originally. I'm here for the Festival of the Bluebells. Absolutely loved tonight. I came last year and it was the most beautiful, magical space and experience, and to hear everybody's poems, their spoken word, their music, it was just unbelievable tonight.
It's called Bluebells Odd Calmness. In Turf Lodge, we took a different route. We were drawn to the same place, a field shaped like a hatchet. Generation to generation have made it a special place, so many people.
I'm Scott McHenry and I run the English language writing workshop here at Scríbhneoirí, and I'm just here for the Bluebell Festival, and I think it's just important for people to get together.
At the fag end of Empire Street, where fluffed up pigeons parade, a Pakistani man in flip-flops cradles a bag of Belfast baps.
A lot of the reason that the group exists is talking about mental health, I suppose, just to get people expressing themselves the way that they should. And it was really beautiful to be here tonight reading with other writers.